Fertilizers are often bought from outside, but trust me, there are a lot of organic compost right in your kitchen. These that I'm going to show you here help your plants and trees yield completely organic fruits and vegetables. I have been using only these organic manure to grow my garden. Some of the organic manure here are onion and garlic peels, used eggshells, curry leaf stems, and brewed tea dust. Use rice water to water your plants instead of plain water. Rice water is nothing but the water left behind after washing rice and the water strained after cooking rice. The plants that I have in my garden do not get manure from outside. The manure that I use are the kitchen wastes only. They are completely organic and safe.